Hey guys, Carl here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to show you this 2023 21-foot Sea Ray. This is a pure pleasure boat, something that you're going to want to take out for your day trips on the islands or on that lake close near to you. Entertainment value is paramount here. You've got a lot of space for a lot of people. As you can see, this one's going to come in the blue color, bimini top. Sea Ray does provide the trailer here as well, so all that comes included. And let's jump aboard and see what you think. All right guys, starting here in the bow of the Sea Ray, nice cushioned seating throughout. This one does have the bow filler cushion here in the front to make this entire bow section a lounge, or however you may want to use it. But a nice place for some sun tanning, to enjoy the sun. And then as we move back, we'll get underneath the bimini top here and move toward the helm. You'll see that Simrad is included here on this Sea Ray. Touch screen is going to have all of your maps, charts, depths, things that you're going to need. Fusion stereo system, and then you're going to even have your automatic trim controls as well. Moving further back, this one comes equipped with 2 captain's chairs. Really nice for those couples. Kind of caters to that aspect. And then in those days that you do want to entertain some friends or take a little bit more out and enjoy the water, complete seating, wraparound seating in the rear. Underneath every seat you will see storage. It does come with a small cooler as well, so if you want to pull up to the island, take your drinks, some snacks or what have you on up to the island, you can do that. It is supplied. Something really great about this Sea Ray as well, you'll see here a ton of storage here in the rear. It can fit chairs, grills, what have you. Ton of it, very deep, and you can again fit all that in there with you. This Sea Ray is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower, plenty of horsepower for a 21-foot boat. And then you got your sea deck in the rear and on the swim platform. Completely outfitted for a great time, leisure time, going to the islands or just a sunset cruise, or going to explore the various restaurants around Panama City Beach. If you've got any questions about this boat or any others, give me a shout. My cell phone, 334-695-6035. I look forward to helping you. See you soon.